Got one, B. Avi, got one. Ooh, nice. Oh. Hold up. Probably 16, 17. They're racing us. Ooh, right through. Woo! Good there, Avi. Right there. Oh, is it deep right here? Right here. Oh, right there. Nope, I took it off. Oh, it's a nice one. Woo! This one got color. Yeah, it's on. I'm lucky it was on, dude. Right here, boy. Dang, that was right shoreline. Dude, it bit like a freaking, it looked like a pike when it exploded. Oh, red eyes, black dragon. Dude, I think they're feeding on crawfish. Catch right there, guys, right here. I think they might be feeding on crawfish, dude. I think they might be feeding on crawfish. Because it has that red lip. Ooh. Nice. Damn, it was a random cast. Yeah. Ooh, it's a nice bass, dark. Yeah, it has that bottom lip. See how it's red? I think they're feeding on crawls. Woo, nice fish. Aim over here, B. That looks too good right here. Way too good right here. There, Avi. I told you. It's too good, boy. It's too good to pass this spot up. How'd you pass this spot up, dude? It's so good. I was like, this spot's way too good to pass, dude. Dude, it looks so perfect. I'm like, this is perfect spot to aim, dude. I knew it. See, aim right there, B. Woo! Nice bass again. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, nice size. Oh, right there, B. Oh, B's on. Dude, right there, boy. Nice ass bass. Nice ass bass. This is at least 18, 19 right here. Good shit, B. Got one. Got one, B. Yeah. Small one. Still nice. Oh, this hook's so sharp. Baby. Huh? They did? Oh, right there. Oh, I saw that come. Woo! Whoa, it's a big one, dude. Oh shit, this one's fucking big. Oh shit, this one's pretty big, Avi. Woo! Edge, Avi. Just fish like how we normally fish, Avi. Structures and edges. Woo! Oh, it's deep. What's that? Oh. Oh my gosh. I can't say. Here, Avi. Oh my gosh, so windy. Oh my gosh, fucking tubes. Good size bass. It's bleeding though. Woo! Big ass fish. I gotta release him.